How to transfer players in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can transfer some players into your team here in fantasy.premierleague.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is pretty simple, and don't forget you're gonna be able to find fantasy.premierleague.com sign up and website links in the description of this video. And as far as I know, you can make a free transfer every week. So if you want to make a transfer, you must think about it, because if you want a free transfer, you must wait another week. So basically you must go into fantasy here in the upper menu, and there you're gonna have the option transfers. Okay, so as you can see, I have my player selected, all my team, and the money remaining. So let's suppose I want just to replace this one from the middle. So now this shirt is empty. I must click on it, select replacement, and in the right part you're gonna find the options that you're gonna be able to select in order to replace this player. Okay, so let's suppose it's gonna be this one. I click on add player and there it is. And that's it. That's simple how you can do it. Don't forget there's money remaining there. And that's how you can transfer players in Fantasy Premier League. Thanks for watching.